Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create and deploy a servlet using Eclipse and Tomcat. First, we will create a dynamic web project. In Eclipse, click on File, New, select Dynamic Web Project, specify the project name, I am giving project name as Deploy Servlet. Click Next, click Next, click Finish button. The project is created in Eclipse. Now we need to create a servlet, an HTML file which will invoke the servlet, and web.xml file. These three files I will create with the help of generatesourcecode.com website. I will go to generatesourcecode.com, select Generate Java Source Code, click on Generate Servlet class. We need to provide the required input. First we need to provide the project name. We created the project name as Deploy Servlet. Provide package name for servlet. I am giving as com. Provide input for packages to be imported. I am keeping default package names. And lastly, we need to provide servlet class name. The servlet class name is test servlet. Click Generate button. It will generate a servlet class, an HTML which will invoke the servlet, and web.xml file. I will create these files in Eclipse and then copy the content. First I will create a servlet. Name of the servlet is test servlet. Package name is com. Click Finish button. Copy the content of servlet class and paste here. This is a very simple servlet class which will print servlet example working on the browser. Next step is to create an HTML file. I am giving the name as index.html. Copy the content of HTML and paste here. This HTML is calling servlet. And lastly, we need to create an web.xml file. Web.xml. Copy the content. So this contains servlet class entries. So we created a servlet class, an HTML file, and web.xml file. I will clean the project. Then I will run the index.html file. I have already installed Tomcat and configured in Eclipse. Right click HTML file, select Run As, select Run on Server. I am selecting the Tomcat click Finish button. The Tomcat will get started and run index.html file. This HTML file will contain a button. We need to click that button and it will call the servlet. So this is the HTML file. Click on call servlet. So it invoked the servlet, and servlet has displayed the output as servlet example working. That's the end of tutorial. Thank you.